Okay, quick question. What if you could make a professional-looking talking video without hiring anyone, without stepping in front of a camera, and without touching a single editing tool?
Tired of weak sound and flimsy headphones? Meet the 1OD Pro DJ headphones. Studio quality sound, ultra soft ear cushions, and bass that booms. Perfect for editing, mixing, or just vibing. Plug in, zone out. Link in description, grab yours now.
Warning, this body spray may cause sudden attractiveness. One spray and boom, you're legally charming. Smell good, feel legendary. Crocodile, body spray, because soap can't do all the work.
Sounds crazy, right? Well, not anymore. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how to use TopView AI's video avatar tool step by step to turn your script into a full talking head video using just AI. And the best part? You can get started for just $7 with my exclusive link and code. Let's dive in. TopView AI is an all-in-one AI video generation platform built for creators, educators, marketers, and businesses. You can use it to create product videos, generate video avatars from your scripts, add voiceovers in multiple languages, animate still images, and even turn long videos into shorts. No camera, no editing, just your browser and your imagination. Let's go step by step and make your first video avatar video. Step 1. Sign up. Go to TopView AI from the link in the description. Click Sign Up, top right corner. Use your Google account or email. Use this special code at checkout and unlock everything for just $7. Step 2. Choose Video Avatar tool. On the dashboard, click on Video Avatar. This is where the AI magic happens. Step 3. Choose an avatar. TopView gives you over 1,000 avatars to choose from. Male or female, young or old, formal or casual, different ethnicities and expressions. Pick one that fits your brand, niche, or message. You can even upload your own custom avatar if you want. Step 4. Add your script. Now paste or type your script into the text box. It can be as short or long as you want. TopView will sync the lips automatically to match the voice. Example: looking for a smarter way to stay hydrated? Try our electrolyte water, made for performance, powered by nature. You can write your script in any language, and it still works. Step 5. Pick a voice. TopView offers dozens of AI voice options. Male or female, friendly, energetic, formal, calm. Multiple languages and accents. Preview them. Pick what fits your tone. Or upload your own voice for custom branding. Step 6. Generate your video. Choose output resolution, 720p or 1080p. Click Generate and let TopView do the rest. In under 5 minutes, you'll have a fully produced AI video avatar, speaking your message like a pro. Let me show you the video I made earlier using this exact method.
Grace in every drop. These pearl earrings whisper elegance with every glance. Wear the beauty that never fades.
This emerald ring isn't just bold, it's a legacy. Let your hands tell a story of strength and timeless charm.
Looking for a smarter way to stay hydrated? Try our electrolyte water, made for performance, powered by nature.
Let me tell you why this product is changing the game. Pretty smooth, right? No camera crew, no editing, just AI. And you control everything: script, tone, voice, and vibe. Why this is a game changer? If you're a solo creator, business owner, or marketer, this tool will save you hours. No need to appear on camera, no need to hire actors or editors. Make unlimited versions for different campaigns. Go global. Speak to your audience in any language. Here's what you get with the starter plan. 120 HD videos per year, no watermark, 1 voice clone, 50 gigabytes cloud storage, access to all AI tools. But with this code at checkout, you can unlock everything for just $7. Sign up now so you are ready to create your own AI video avatar before this deal disappears. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, subscribe to the tutorial lab, comment below what will you use your video avatar for first. Thanks for watching and happy creating.